Hello and... Son of a...
Sorry.
Hello and welcome to episode 7 of the student series. Today I'm going to be gluing the box together. There are a lot of little steps to this and there's a lot that can go wrong. So I'm going to do what I can and let's see what happens. What? Are you just watching?
Yeah.
Why? What am I doing wrong? Oh, how tall that is. Is that what you're thinking? No? Is there something I'm doing wrong?
No.
No?
No.
You're just making me doubt myself. That's all you're doing.
Oh, what? Good.
You sure?
Yeah.
You know something is going wrong for you to be watching it. Is it a really big blade? Is it fine?
Actually, you should change the blade on the pencil.
Yeah, f*** off. I don't know.
There's nothing wrong.
No.
I was just getting in the shot with you.
I don't care about the shot. It's not my channel. Okay, so I've just sanded all of the sides and fair bit of colour difference on that. But I've still got these little markings that are going down here, and I thought about sanding deeper, and I've just asked Matt and he's suggesting cabinet scraper.
Yeah. So what Rob is experiencing here is a little bit of tear out, which is a result of the thicknesser chipping up a little bit of reversing grain or something like that. And often this isn't visible until you start sanding it. So yeah, this is definitely tear out. Way to get rid of tear out in localized patches like this, as opposed to trying sanding the whole thing. This thing, you bend it and it takes material from a very precise location.
Wow, is that just gone now?
Well, it's starting to. See, it's just producing little shavings. You feel the end of that. A tiny little hook on it.
Yeah.
So yeah, all you need to do is bend it, and then it's obviously going to cut in a very precise place. Just careful not to do it too much in one area. But yeah, nice thing about Paduke is it's very nice to.
Lovely.
Yeah.
So then do
Got
I?
some Paduke on your face, by the way.
I'm not surprised, to be honest. So then do I sand it afterwards?
Sand it afterwards. Yeah, this will get rid of the tear out. Obviously, this is going to create some sort of a dip.
Yeah.
But it's
negligible.
Yeah, it's so shallow by the time you sand it, you won't even notice.
Yeah, and then with the sanding, am I going back through the 240? Sorry, the 120, 180.
You could probably just go to 180 after doing this, I think. So it's going to be smooth enough anyway. Have a quick go with it.
Okay.
There is a video in the online school on how to sharpen a cabinet scraper, so that will be linked in the supporting resources below.
Lovely.
Yes.
Give it a go. the line there.
Yep.
Yeah. And then there.
Spotty dog.
Yeah?
Yep.
Sweet, because I haven't adjusted anything. I'm just very thankful with it.
Oh, right.
Up like that, yeah.
Happy days. That's good. It's probably from putting the clamps that way as opposed to
That probably helps.
the way you did before. That's good.
Yeah. So should I clean up the edges at all? Like the corners?
The inside bits, to be honest, I would leave that until the glue starts getting a bit of a skin on it.
Okay.
And then, yeah, you might be able to peel it off then. If you do it now, you'll make a mess of it.
Okay. Yeah.
Looks good.
Cool.
Looks good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very nice.
Quite pleased with that. Suddenly becomes quite panicky having to glue all of that so quickly.
It is, yeah, it is.
Because I was doing the first one, nice, this is alright. And then I thought, wait, I've got to do all of these edges.
Yeah.
Then I got the other one on the same piece. Then I've got 2 more to do. And then I realised as I was clamping it, oh wait, this 15 minutes was for gluing and clamping.
Yeah.
So
The amount of students I've had where they forgot to glue one corner as well.
Really?
They chuck it in the clamps and then it's like, have you put glue on that? And they're like, oh, I think so. You just sort of like able to wiggle it. You can just sort of push stuff in.
Yeah.
It is easy to get confused with it.
I think I've got all of them.
Yeah.
Well,
Let's squeeze out the wall. You should be good. You should be fine.
yeah. It does worry me when some have not as much squeeze out than others, but yeah.
It'll be fine. As long as there's some sort of glue visible, you'll be fine.
Yeah. Groovy. Need to do an outro.
We do. So Rob has successfully glued the box together. Well, we think it was successful.
Let's turn off the extractor. Sorry. It's really annoying when it's going. Isn't that better?
No. I like white noise. As we were saying, Rob has successfully glued the box together. We think it's successful. It's definitely gone, it's square by the looks of it.
Shockingly square, considering I haven't adjusted it.
Shockingly square, yeah, yeah. Obviously one of the mistakes Rob made, which I didn't really notice, was that he put the clamps on at 90 degrees, as opposed to sort of angling the parallel jaws down like this. And it seems to have done wonders, really.
Yeah, it seems to be absolutely perfect, because when I had the extra 2 on there, I was twisting so many different things in all different places. It was quite a struggle, but yeah, that way round, clearly the better way round.
It looks good.
Should have done that.
It looks good. Cool. So, I mean, there's not really much you can do now other than just wait until the glue dries, take it off, and then hope for the best.
Keep all fingers crossed.
We'll see what you're left with.
Yeah, I mean, in terms of any issues, I mean, there weren't many.
Yeah, I was going to ask about that.
Yeah, I mean, the 2 things, I guess the 2 main things that I would suggest that people don't do that I did is 1, use the wrong type of masking tape on the gluey ends. I just assumed it was this low tack stuff the whole time, so the glue hasn't stuck very well.
Yeah, use the low tack tape to mask off the inside of the box so that you can easily get rid of that squeeze out. And then when you're attaching the blocks, use a masking tape with a slightly stronger tack on it so that it doesn't fall off with the blocks when you're trying to clamp it on.
Yes.
Doesn't matter if it leaves a sticky residue because you're going to plane it.
Yeah, and on top of that, I would probably say, just for the sake of making sure it's easy, with the gluing blocks, what I should have done is after just chiseling out those gaps, just do a quick rub on the top on a bit of sandpaper so that I don't end up with any like splinters and stuff that are like curling round
Oh, okay.
on the top. Because I found when I tried to glue some of these down, they didn't have any contact because...
There's a little fluffy bit.
Little fluffy bit.
Right, okay.
So I could have just done a quick one of that and I wouldn't have had ungluing problems.
Ungluing.
Ungluing problems.
Nice.
Yes.
That sounds good. Good.
Yeah.
Nice work. So obviously the next
you.
one, Rob is going to be flushing it off and we will see what he's left with. After all that hard work, are you feeling confident?
Mildly confident, yeah. Yeah, I was very pleased with how it went together, dry fit. And before I put on the masking tape, seeing how it all went together, I'm impressed I've got this far.
Yeah. Wait, what time? You say it was 12:15 now.
Yeah.
You might be able to take it out of the clamps before we go and have a look.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Try and get that on video.
Cool. Good. Well, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you want to see the next lesson, you can do so by clicking the link below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe by pressing the big red button to the left-hand side of the video. Rob will show you where it is. There you go. We'll see you in the next one.
See you then.